The square block from the Big Flowers collection has a final round with quite a few V-stitches worked in it. The V-stitches are worked around the back post of one of the slip stitches of round 6, the previous round, and to stop them being too bulky to work around such a small stitch, I've worked them in a slightly special way. The first leg of the V-stitch is a UK double treble or a US treble, and that's worked around the back post as you see here. The second stitch is a UK treble or US double crochet, and that is worked into the base of the first leg of the V-stitch at the back. Let's see how that's done. I'll wrap the yarn twice around the hook, and you can see here this is the tiny slip stitch I want to work around. There's not much room between the previous round and the round that I'm working into, so we don't want it too bulky. Because it's a back post stitch, I'll slide the hook from the back to the front, over the stitch and back round to the back. I'll put the yarn around the hook and I'll pull up a loop. The yarn goes around the hook again, and then I'm going to pull through 2 loops, once, twice and 3 times, and that completes my UK double treble around the back post or my US treble. I'll work the chain to create the chain space of the V-stitch, and now I'm going to fold the square over and find the base of the first stitch at the back. Here it is, there's 2 yarn loops there, they're nicely separated so we can see them. I'll wrap the yarn once around the hook, slide it under both of those loops, yarn round the hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops once and twice. So the second stitch is a UK treble or a US double crochet, and there it is from the front. And let's just finish off that round so we can see how the square looks. There it is.